Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make yam curry full guide. Start by peeling and cubing yams into bite-sized pieces, then heat oil and sauté chopped onions, garlic, and ginger until aromatic. Add curry spices and toast briefly to release flavors. Pour in coconut milk and bring to a gentle simmer, then add yams and cook until tender, finishing with lime juice and fresh cilantro for brightness. Toast ground and whole spices gently in a dry pan to deepen their aroma before adding oil. This step makes a big flavor difference. Combine turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili to create a balanced spice blend, and adjust heat with chili flakes or fresh chilies to your taste. Prepare yams by peeling and cutting into uniform cubes so they cook evenly, and have coconut milk and stock ready to speed through the cooking process. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: I love the comfy socks seen here. They stay cozy during long cooking sessions and are built to last, making them a funny yet practical kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and drop a note if you try the curry. Now let's get back to the video. After adding coconut milk and stock, simmer the curry gently so yams become tender yet hold their shape. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, a squeeze of lime, and a touch of sugar if needed to balance flavors. For texture contrast, stir in toasted nuts or crispy shallots before serving, and garnish with fresh cilantro and a swirl of coconut cream to make the dish look and taste irresistible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.